Hey friend, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for jumping on my channel and joining me here today. I have got a 10-minute arm workout. Now, if you've done any of my arm classes, you know you don't actually have to do them with weights to get a workout. If you do have weights at your disposal, I would recommend 3 or less. 5s and 8s are going to be rough on those shoulders of ours. So I would stick with something a bit smaller. Again, though, if you don't have any, that's okay. Jump in, give your upper body a workout, and let's get started. Okay, we'll start in an easy seat, whatever feels best for you. Take a moment, arrive, and let's just sit up tall and straight. Maybe press your hands on the tops of your thighs and almost think of pressing into your thighs to lift out of your sitting bones a little higher. If it doesn't feel good to sit in this position, of course, do whatever works for you. Belly button in, top of the head high, relax the hands, and then inhale, reach them up nice and high. Exhale, flip the palms, press them down. Again, inhale, reach them up nice and high. Exhale, flip the palms, press them right back down. One more time, gather them up and pause. Lightly spiral your pinkies towards one another. Soften the shoulders down the back, but at the same time, lift out of your waist a little bit higher. Take a big deep inhale here. As you exhale, set your right hand down. Think of that, using that as a little kickstand, and lift the left hand up higher, and then crawl your fingers away. Pause, press down into your left hip, lift your your left hand up a little higher, and then maybe take a big, deeper stretch. This can be as big or small as you like. No hurry, no rush. As you exhale, press off that hand on the ground, float yourself up. Same thing, spiral those pinkies, lift up out of the waist, drop one hand down. Grow tall out that side, crawl your fingertips away. Do you see I still keep lifting my right hand up, not over the head quite yet. I press down through my right hip, my right sitting bone, and then I take the stretch over. Big deep full inhale. Exhale, press down, push yourself all the way up, both hands high. Take the hands behind your head, open them nice and wide. Think of pressing your elbows back behind you. A little tuck of your chin to your chest, just so you can lengthen through that cervical spine. Do you feel like you are letting your ribs kind of fan open, or can we draw them closed? Can we sit up tall and straight out of our waist? Take a big inhale. As you exhale, take a twist to your right. Inhale, return center. Twist to your left. Inhale, return center, and let it go. Roll the shoulders around. Give yourself a little time to move and groove. And then from here, let's open up our palms so they're facing away from us. And again, it's that spiral of the pinkies. It's spiraling underneath the armpits a little bit right here and almost touch the pinkies together. Slowly float your hands up and pause. Did you let yourself cave in? Keep kissing the shoulder blades together behind the body, opening up across the chest, and reach the hands nice and far away. Pull your belly button in, take a big inhale. As you exhale, press the palms up to about the same height as your eyes, your nose. Inhale, set it down. Exhale, tone the belly, press it up. Inhale, drop it down. 3 more little press up. Inhale, lower down. 2 more little press up. Inhale, lower down. Last one, little press up, pause, hold right there. Think about almost drawing your elbows towards one another while you reach long out of your fingertips. Take a big inhale and a little kind of pancake or pulse of the hands up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Again, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. 2 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Reach long, pull those elbows in, lift your chest up. Last time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Take a great big breath. Drop the elbows lightly down, open those fingers, and maybe grab the weights if you've got them. If we don't, that's okay. Pull them into your sides. Think of actively hugging your elbows in. It's almost like you're trying to push your elbows through your ribs. At the same time, you're broadening across the chest. Take a great big full inhale. Exhale, draw the tummy in a little bit more, sit out of the waist. You could be in a chair right now if this does not feel good. Remember, do what works for you. And we're slowly going to press our hands out and straight for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick in. Again, 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick in. Again, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, pull. 2 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, pull. Last one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull. Now reverse. So we go out and then in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, punch. In. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, reach. Again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Punch and reach. Last one. 4, 3, 2, 1. And pause. Bend the elbows and release them. Exhale, tone the tummy, bend the elbows, and release them. Remember, you could do this entire series with no weights whatsoever, and you're still going to get a fabulous workout in the upper body. That is perfectly fine. 3 more, little curl and release. And what I want you to focus on as we do these curls is my elbows, my upper arms don't move at all. It's just movement from the elbow and up the hand. Last one, bend and pause. From here, soften those shoulders down the back, lift the head up a little higher, and we're going to do those little kind of punch pulses up for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Almost imagine there's a table underneath your elbows and you're kind of banging your elbows on the table every time you draw them down. Repeat it again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. 2 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Last time. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Take a big inhale. Think about setting the weights or setting the hands on that still imaginary table underneath our elbows. Oh, I was letting my elbows droop a little bit. I got to push them up too. Take a big inhale. Now push the weights together, opening your elbows off to the side. It's like you're making kind of a diamond shape. Do you see that? It's that same shape. I'm just lifting up a little higher. Inhale, draw them open. Exhale, punch them closed. Inhale, draw them open. 3 more. Exhale, punch and close. Inhale, pull them open. Exhale, punch and close. Last one open, last one close, pause. Press the weights together, open those elbows nice and wide, reach them a little further open. Take a big deep inhale, and now I want you to collapse your elbows in, pull them into your heart, reach it out and away. Exhale, pull it in. Inhale, reach it out and away. 3 more, drag it in. Reach it out and away. 2 more, drag it in. Reach it out and away. Last one, drag it in, pause, hold right there, open those elbows a little wider, sit up taller, take it out so you've got that diamond again, and then make the diamond over your head. Did you kind of wiggle, wobble around? Do we need to think about our tummy muscles a little bit more? Maybe draw the ribs in, lift out of the waist. From here, we're going to, again, touch our elbows down to the imaginary table, and then reach them up. Exhale, tone the tummy, touch them down, reach them up. 3 more, touch them down, reach them up high. 2 more, touch them down, reach them up high. Last one, touch them down, pause. Hold right there. 1 more big deep inhale. Lift them up overhead, and then this time, big deep inhale. Exhale, bring them down in front of your sternum once more. Inhale, float them back overhead. Exhale, down in front of the sternum. Inhale, reach them up overhead. 3 more, down we go. Send them on up. Last one down and pause. Now this is the last big one. We're going to do it. You're going to love it. We're going to take our hands out in front of us. If there's a soft bend, it's okay. I find it's a little bit easier if I do straight and fully, if I kiss my shoulder blades in, if I sit up tall and straight, but I want you to make small little circles with our arms around 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. 1 more set around. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Take a big breath. Pull the elbows in. Sit up tall, sit up straight. Set the weights down. Our arms should feel light as a feather after that. Go ahead and move them off to the side so they're in front of you. You've got a little space. We're going to repeat those little stretches we were kind of doing at the beginning of class. So just start by rolling the shoulders. Press down into the thighs. Sit up tall, sit up straight. Big inhale, both hands lift high. Ooh, is it hard to lift them up after all that work? Maybe. Sit up taller, sit up straighter. Take a big breath. Drop the hand down, lift up, grow far away, reaching those fingertips up, and then lift the hand up high. Flip the palm so it's facing towards me. Bend the elbow like a little cactus. Lightly press back and away. Take a big inhale. And then I want you to hug your body. Reach for your opposite rib. Drop your head down. Unravel. Reach the hand up high once more. And then press off. Lift up high. Same thing, other side. Down. Lift. Crawl it away. And then take that big, lovely side stretch. And then when you're ready, big hug of your body. Unravel. Press up. And soften down. Now, as always, give yourself a great big pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. Hopefully our arms, our posture will be thanking us later. And I certainly hope to see you soon.